see in front of me iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you how to customize control center shortcuts on this device. So here, as you can see, we got the flashlight, the torch icon, the stopwatch, calculator, and camera. We can add here more just icons, or just we can remove these icons. And now I'll show you how to customize our control center. So first we should go into the settings to do that, and then here scroll to the control center section, click here, and now we can see here there's four available icons on our control center here. And just to add some icons here, we got as can you see all of these icons, the more controls with these green pluses on the left side. And for example, we want to add the low power mode, so click here to this plus, and you can see the low power mode section here on this up visible section. As can you see, we got now just one more icon here on our control center. By the same way, we can add the alarm, for example, the notes, the text size changer, and the dark mode. And now when we'll open the control center here, we can see the 9 icons, the 9 more icons. By the same way, we can just remove some icons from here. Just click here on this red minuses and tap to remove. By the same way, you can see we can remove more icons from here. And now when we'll check that, as can you see, they are gone. And that's it. That's how to change the control center section on our iPhone SE. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.